Hey there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that every car owner should be aware of: common causes of car alternator failure and their remedies. So, let's dive right in. Before we explore the causes and remedies, let's quickly understand what a car alternator does. The alternator is a crucial component of your vehicle's charging system. It generates electrical power to recharge the battery and supply electricity to various electrical systems while the engine is running. Now, let's take a look at some common causes of car alternator failure that you should watch out for. 1. Overloading the electrical system. One common cause is overloading the electrical system. Adding aftermarket accessories or using high-powered audio systems without proper upgrades can strain the alternator, leading to failure. To remedy this, you can reduce the electrical load on the alternator by turning off unnecessary electrical components when not in use. 2. Worn out or damaged bearings. Another cause is worn out or damaged bearings within the alternator. Over time, these bearings can wear out, causing the alternator to produce unusual noises or fail altogether. 3. Faulty voltage regulator. The voltage regulator in an alternator regulates the voltage output to the battery. A faulty voltage regulator can also contribute to alternator failure. If it malfunctions, it can either overcharge or undercharge the battery, leading to alternator issues. To remedy this, you can replace the voltage regulator or have it serviced by a professional. 4. Worn out brushes. The brushes in an alternator are responsible for conducting electricity from the rotor to the stator. Over time, these brushes can wear out and cause the alternator to fail. To remedy this, you can replace the brushes or have them serviced by a professional. 5. Broken belt. The alternator belt is responsible for transferring power from the engine to the alternator. A broken belt can cause the alternator to stop working altogether. To remedy this, you can replace the belt or have it serviced by a professional. 6. Corrosion. Corrosion can build up on the alternator's terminals and connections, causing it to fail. To remedy this, you can clean the terminals and connections with a wire brush and apply a protective coating to prevent further corrosion. 7. Broken diodes. Alternators have diodes that prevent electricity from flowing back into the battery. If a diode breaks, it can cause the alternator to stop working altogether. Signs of a faulty alternator. There are a few signs that your alternator may be failing. These include dim or flickering lights. If your headlights, interior lights, or other electrical components are dimming or flickering, it could be a sign of a faulty alternator. Battery problems. If your battery is constantly draining or fails to hold a charge, it could be a sign of a faulty alternator. Strange noises. If you hear a growling or whining noise coming from the alternator, it could be a sign of a failing bearing. Remedies for car alternator failure. Now that we know the common causes, let's discuss some remedies to prevent or address car alternator failure. 1. Regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is key. Ensure that your vehicle's charging system is inspected during routine maintenance visits. This includes checking the alternator's belt tension, connections, and overall condition. 2. Avoid overloading. To prevent overloading the electrical system, be mindful of the accessories you add to your vehicle. If you plan to install high-powered electronics, consider upgrading the alternator and wiring to handle the increased load. 3. Timely replacement of worn-out parts. If you notice any signs of worn-out bearings or a faulty voltage regulator, it's crucial to diagnose the issue and replace any necessary parts. 4. Keep the alternator clean and cool. Make sure the alternator is clean and free of debris. Also, make sure it's getting proper ventilation. And there you have it, folks. The common causes of car alternator failure and their remedies. By understanding these causes and taking preventive measures, you can avoid costly repairs and keep your vehicle's electrical system running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, thanks for watching, and drive safe.